Hey guys, it's me, Shani, and today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me for the opera. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Hey, let's get started. I'm going to start with my brow gel from Thrive Cosmetics. This is my first time going to an opera, so I am super excited. This is also my first time going to the theater that we're going to, and it's really supposed to be beautiful, so I am really excited about just seeing the theater as well and just dressing up. I don't know, I feel like nowadays there's just not as many opportunities to dress kind of fancy and go to an event like that, so I am really excited. Okay, so I already went in with eye primer, and now I'm gonna go in with the Sultry palette from Anastasia, and this is the slate color. I'm gonna try to do more of a like smoky gray toned look, I think. And I think I'm gonna start with slate and then go into, for the outer corner, I wanna go into the Nubian 3 Juvia's Place Coral palette, and I think I'm gonna go into this gray tone. So those are the mattes I'm gonna use. But yeah, it is going to be my first opera, and it is an Italian opera. It is La Traviata, which I am just really excited about. And I was watching videos on YouTube about operas, and a few of them said if you're going to your very first opera that this particular one is a good one to go to as a opera beginner. So I'm thrilled that I just happened to pick one that is a little more geared towards, I mean, anybody can see it, even if you're an opera lover from, you know, for years, but I think it just made me excited that I picked one that is good for beginners as well. This is a little pigmented, so we're gonna blend a lot. I'm gonna go in with my Perfect Eye palette from Thrive Cosmetics, just that cream eyeshadow shade. I would love to know, have you been to an opera? And if so, which one? And if you haven't, if you would consider doing that, or if you think that's kind of too old school or boring for you. I've heard that, I think that's like a myth, like people think the operas can be boring, but they are actually supposed to be very dramatic and exciting, I think. So we will see how I enjoy it, but I just love music and singing and stuff, so I think I will enjoy it. I'm just gonna take my blending brush and take a little bit of that cream shade and just kind of blend the edge with the cream colored powder eyeshadow just to kind of lessen the gray. I'm looking for a little bit more of a dramatic look just because, I don't know, I feel like the opera is kind of dramatic, so we're going a little drama inspired here. So next I'm going to go in with my Alamar primer. This is a little bit more of a sticky primer, so this works really well for shimmers. I'm just going to put that on the eyelid where I want my shimmer to go. And I have so many shimmers that I want to maybe choose for this look. I have a couple different palettes out, so we're gonna see what I choose. I think I'm gonna start with Cyborg, this silver in the inner part. And then I think I'm gonna go into my Marc Jacobs Stiletto palette. There is this gorgeous glitter and then this other shade here. So sparkling on the lid, and then sidewalks I think I'm gonna do in the inner corner later. Ooh, I think I really like that. I don't know how much it's showing on camera, but it's a really pretty like purpley silver. Next we are going in with my Infinity Waterproof Liner Pen in Lauren from Thrive Cosmetics. I'm trying to decide if I want a wing or not. I like kind of did a wing. Okay, so I went ahead and applied my primer and my foundation. So I used the Thrive Cosmetics Sunproof sunscreen as a primer for most of my face, and then in the T-zone I used my liquid poreless putty primer from e.l.f. And then for foundation I went ahead and used I kind of mixed some, so my Rare Beauty Tinted Moisturizer, I did mostly this with a tiny bit of my IT Cosmetics CC Plus, and my e.l.f. I mixed a little bit of my e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter in there. So these 3 products I put on for foundation. And now we are going to go to cream bronzer and blush. I'm going to use the Thrive Cosmetics Triple Threat Color Stick in Mauve as my contour, my bronzer, and then I'm going to use the Tarte Maneater blush and Peachy Pink for my blush. I went ahead and used my Thrive Cosmetics concealer and set that with my Pat McGrath powder, under eye powder, and then used the Filtered Effects Soft Focus HD setting powder, pressed setting powder from Thrive Cosmetics for the rest of my face. So I'm all powdered and ready for the rest of my makeup here. I'm gonna go back into Slate here and just do under my eyes, or like the lower lash line, and then I'm gonna go in with Sidewalks as my inner corner. I think I am liking the eye look. I haven't done like a gray smoky look in a while. Let's go into mascara. So I'm going to curl my lashes, and then I have been loving this combo of Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extension Mascara. This is my favorite mascara, but I've been going in with their Volumizer mascara first, and then going in with this. This is their brown black shade, and this is their rich black shade. So I don't know if it's kind of weird that I'm using 2 different shades. This is a nice bottom lash mascara as well, and then I'm gonna go in with this one. The lashes are done. I really like them. And then now we're going in for blush, bronzer, and highlight. I'm gonna start with my Marc Jacobs Tantastic Omega Bronze. For blush, I'm gonna go in with the Lunar Beauty Moon Prism blush, and I like to mix these 3 shades here. The question is, do I do a red lip or a pinky nude type of lip? That is the question. And then lastly, I'm going to go in with my Ofra Star Island highlight. I'm also going to set my makeup with the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Okay, so I picked out my lip color. I went with the Thrive Cosmetics Maya lip liner and the Jessica Sheer Strength lip gloss from them. I think it's perfect. I'm gonna go with the red lip. I think it's just classic and perfect for the opera. So let me show you the outfit now. Just want to share my dress was from high school. I'm not sure exactly where it's from. The cardigan is originally Topshop. I found it at a thrift store. The gloves are either Etsy or Amazon. I got them for my Audrey Hepburn Halloween costume. couple years back. And the final touch is my opera glasses from Paris from the 1890s. How cute are they? I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.